Imagine yourself in this 2005 Chevrolet Impala Base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable steering wheel, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front-wheel drive, keyless entry, multi-zone AC and power door locks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.